ask a standard large language model if a specific stock is a good investment, and the response is often a block of text that looks comprehensive but is functionally inert for professional capital deployment. Probabilistic models are designed to synthesize vast amounts of information and balance opposing viewpoints. Their primary directive is to synthesize and appease, providing a well-rounded summary that avoids taking a definitive stance. This on the one hand, on the other hand approach is incompatible with real-world finance. Capital deployment requires a hard decision. You cannot allocate portfolio weight based on a non-committal paragraph. The issue is structural. A single-thread AI process has no internal friction. It does not argue with itself, and it lacks a mechanism to aggressively disprove its own assumptions. Querying a standard chatbot for a financial decision yields an illusion of analysis. It provides articulate text that masks a deficit of mathematical and logical conviction. To solve this, the model must be treated as a component within a strict logic system, rather than a magic text box. This is the premise of the open-source AI-Berkshire framework. The framework shifts the AI from its role as a passive oracle to an active, multidisciplinary investment committee. This architecture rests on three pillars: adversarial dialogue to force disagreement, strict epistemic guardrails to measure data confidence, and deterministic Python tools to execute precise calculations. To coordinate these processes without human intervention, the framework relies on Claude Code to automate external tool executions and manage the handoffs between different agent logic paths. By bounding a probabilistic model with strict engineering protocols, text-based reasoning is transformed into a deterministic decision engine. The systems/investment team command splits a single data query into 4 parallel independent AI agent nodes. Each node is injected with a strict investment philosophy. These specific, rigid perspectives create the necessary friction to counteract the single perspective bias found in standard queries. We can see this adversarial tension in action by running a case study on the e-commerce platform Pinduoduo. The first perspective isolates the financials. The Warren Buffett node evaluates the raw cash generation. This node calculates deep value. Looking at Pinduoduo, it identifies the asset as a lucrative cash printing machine, driven by a 6.3x cash price-to-earnings ratio. But the system immediately pivots to a counter-perspective. The Charlie Munger node acts as the inverse risk assessor, engineered to tear down the first node's thesis. The Munger node launches a direct attack on the company's economic moat, citing the precise threat of a competitor scaling to a 4 trillion gross merchandise volume within just 3 years. Then the Li Lu node steps in to evaluate durability, flagging uncertainty regarding management culture and structural integrity over a strict 10-year horizon. The system does not allow these nodes to reach a compromise. Synthesizing these conflicting viewpoints forces a harsh resolution matrix, actively rejecting a safe blended average. Manufacturing structural conflict between parallel agents provides a protocol to expose critical business blind spots before capital is deployed. Large language models are prone to hallucination because they tend to equate large volumes of text with data certainty. To counter this, the system applies its first epistemic guardrail, a mandatory information richness rating of A, B, or C to all data ingestions.
This flowchart illustrates the blank space principle. If data receives a low B or C rating, the output is forced into a gray area bucket. The AI is barred from interpolating missing data. Forcing this explicit gray area acts as a dead end, stopping probabilistic fabrication. The second guardrail is mandatory inverse thinking. Before the system can proceed with any positive recommendation, the LLM must outline specific failure scenarios and assign probabilities to them. The final deterministic failsafe in the repository is the mirror test checklist. The mirror test requires the AI to independently generate exactly 5 complete, structurally sound sentences that justify the buy thesis using verifiable data. If the LLM cannot complete all 5 sentences logically, the asset triggers the quick veto list, regardless of how attractive the valuation appears. These guardrails suppress the model's natural urge to be helpful, enforcing the epistemic humility required for professional investing. This leads to a foundational barrier to reliability, the structural inability of large language models to perform reliable arithmetic. Standard LLMs attempt to do math using logic prediction. In financial engineering, this leads to precision loss and compounding errors. The financial rigor script solves this. While float calculations generate sloppy trailing decimals, Python's decimal module executes precise financial outputs. The framework mandates all nodes offload numerical logic to this module, locking text generation inside a rigid mathematical boundary, with zero tolerance for rounding errors. High-precision math doesn't matter if the initial data is wrong. LLMs frequently hallucinate or confuse currency units during web parsing. Look at the evaluation of Tencent. If an LLM mixes up Hong Kong dollars with Chinese yuan, calculating market capitalization, the valuation thesis collapses. To prevent this, the framework mandates cross-validation. Core numerical metrics must be pulled from at least 2 independent data sources. If the discrepancy exceeds 1%, the system triggers an alert. Bridging text-based semantic reasoning with rigid external Python environments is a necessary bridge to achieve mathematical determinism in an AI workflow. Standardizing these adversarial inputs, guardrails, and deterministic math tools serves one macro objective. It allows the system to generate horizontal comparison across disparate companies, using identical, unbending evaluation criteria. The payload of this process is the framework's rigorous 7-company comparison checklist. The checklist strips away narrative fluff. It forces a binary or strictly conditional output format, delivering clear pass, conditional, or gray area verdicts. This allows us to cleanly contrast high-certainty benchmark targets, like the dominant margins of Kuaichou Maotai, against the volatile targets evaluated earlier. Because the structural logic is rigid, a team can run the same company through the framework 6 months later and track the exact delta in the AI's reasoning. The resulting structured, mathematically proven output matrix offers a depth that simple text summaries cannot reach. Simple prompt engineering has reached its limit. Complex systems engineering represents the new baseline for professional quantitative analysis. Engineering an adversarial, deterministic environment forces probabilistic models into the rigorous, actionable reality required for professional investing.